Welcome to Mr. World 2024, Mercedes-Benz E-Class, the epitome of luxury and innovation. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues the legacy of this iconic series, blending cutting-edge technology, luxury, and performance in one sophisticated package. With a refreshed design and a host of new features, the latest E-Class sets a new benchmark for mid-size luxury sedans. Whether you're a longtime Mercedes enthusiast or new to the brand, the 2024 E-Class offers something for everyone. Sleek and modern design. The exterior of the 2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class presents a refined yet dynamic look. With sharper lines, a more aggressive grille, and sleek LED lighting, the car exudes a sense of modern luxury. The front end features a bolder design, while the rear receives new LED tail lights that give the vehicle a more contemporary look. The E-Class is available in various finishes, allowing buyers to personalize their vehicle to match their tastes. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, the 2024 E-Class offers a variety of powertrains, catering to different driving preferences. The base model features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing ample power for daily driving. For those seeking more performance, the E-Class offers higher trims, such as the E350 and E450, which come equipped with a 3.0-liter inline-six engine with mild hybrid technology for enhanced performance and fuel efficiency. The ride quality is unparalleled, with adaptive suspension systems ensuring a smooth and composed ride, whether on city streets or highways. Interior comfort and technology step inside the 2024 E-Class, and you'll be enveloped in luxury. The cabin is a perfect blend of high-end materials and state-of-the-art technology. A large, curved OLED touchscreen sits at the center of the dashboard, seamlessly integrated with the Mercedes-Benz MBUX infotainment system. This system offers natural language processing, allowing drivers to interact with the vehicle using simple voice commands. The cabin also boasts premium leather upholstery, customizable ambient lighting, and a 64-color lighting system that creates a serene and elegant atmosphere. The spaciousness and comfort of the seats make the E-Class ideal for long drives or daily commutes. Safety and driver assistance. Features. Mercedes-Benz continues to prioritize safety in the 2024 E-Class, equipping it with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance features. These include active lane-keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking, among others. Additionally, the new E-Class is available with an innovative semi-autonomous driving mode, providing an extra layer of convenience and safety on highways. Conclusion. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is a standout in the luxury sedan market. With its bold design, powerful performance, advanced technology, and unmatched comfort, it truly exemplifies the pinnacle of automotive excellence. Whether you're after a refined daily driver or a high-tech luxury experience, the 2024 E-Class delivers on all fronts, making it a top choice for anyone looking to elevate their driving experience. Thanks for watching.